How's it going, everyone? It's Dale the Artist here, and today I thought I'd bring to you guys something I've never done on my channel before, and that's create a video game in Unreal Engine 5 using Blender and record my entire process. And this is obviously a time lapse, but if you guys want to see the full video in real time, no time lapse, link in the description below to my Patreon. And my first general thought with creating this was I was playing Call of Duty and I got tired of seeing the same stuff over and over, so I thought, hey, I have a video game development background and animation, why not just create my own video game? So with that being said, I started concepting some stuff on paper, writing down some ideas, and as a child I've always been drawn to a different perspective from a smaller angle, like Toy Story, Bugs Life, the movie Ants, things of that sort. I've always been kind of more reluctant to be drawn in, so I figured I'd make a character that's small, which will be a rat slash human features, because obviously we're human, and as humans we're drawn to things that remind us of ourselves, that we can kind of have some type of connection with. So I chose a rat because I feel that's a fair size to have for an environment, right? So if I had ants, I feel everything would be just too huge. By using a rat, I get a nice mix in between, and it leaves a lot of room for interpretation and imagination. So I can have his jetpack be made out of dental floss, maybe a can of spray, things of that, and it's basically limitless. So with that being said, this video is just the time lapse of me creating the general concept art for the main character. In the next couple videos, I'm going to be working on the weapons, the clothing, and then once I finalize that, I'm going to retopologize that inside of Blender, texture it in Substance Painter, rig it inside of Blender, export it and import it into Unreal Engine 5, jump back into Blender to work on the assets, because I'm creating everything from scratch. I'm not downloading any assets, purchasing any assets, so forth and so on. And I really want this to be a unique experience, which I've never seen anyone do from scratch, start to finish. And I will only be posting the time lapses on YouTube, and if you guys want to see the real-time versions, they will be in the link below to my Patreon. Also, if you guys want to donate or help the channel, Patreon's a good place to start. With that being said, let's continue watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.